In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect money using MoneyGram. Whether you're planning to visit a MoneyGram agent location or prefer to use the MoneyGram app, I'll guide you through each step so that you can receive your funds smoothly and efficiently. If you're heading to a MoneyGram agent location, make sure you have all the necessary information before setting out. Once you arrive, approach the counter and politely inform the agent that you're there to collect money. The key piece of information you'll need to provide is the reference number given to you by the sender. This number is crucial as it allows the agent to identify your specific transaction in their system. Along with the reference number, a valid form of photo identification is required. Your options might include a driver's license, passport, or any other government-issued ID. Make sure your ID is current and in good condition because the agent will need to verify your identity before you can receive any funds. It's a good idea to double check that the information on your identification matches the details associated with the transaction to prevent any complications. After your reference number and ID are verified, the agent will proceed to process the transaction. At this point, you have two main options for receiving your funds. You can collect the money as cash directly from the agent or opt to have the amount deposited into your bank account. If you're choosing a bank deposit, ensure that your bank details are accurately linked to avoid any potential delays in receiving your money. Now, if using the MoneyGram app suits your lifestyle better, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Start by opening the app on your device and navigate to the section dedicated to collecting money. Just like in the in-person process, you will be prompted to enter the reference number the sender provided. Take care to input this number correctly to prevent any transaction errors. Next, you'll need to upload a digital copy of your identification. Follow the app's instructions to take a clear, readable photo of your ID. The details on this identification should align with those in your MoneyGram profile to ensure a smooth process. Once your identity is confirmed, you can decide between collecting cash at an agent location or opting for a bank deposit. If you're planning to collect cash, the app will provide guidance on the nearest MoneyGram locations where you can complete your transaction. Alternatively, if you select a bank deposit through the app, you'll need to confirm your bank account details to facilitate the transfer of funds. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to collect money through MoneyGram, empowering you to manage your transactions with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video makes your MoneyGram experience a stress-free one.